Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a full guide to guava barbecue sauce. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients, ensuring we have the perfect blend of sweet and tangy. Then, I'll walk you through the simple cooking process, from combining everything to simmering it to a rich, thick consistency. Finally, we'll cover how to perfect the flavor and store your delicious homemade sauce, ready for any meal. To create this amazing guava barbecue sauce, you'll need about 1 pound of ripe guavas, which provide that signature tropical sweetness. For a perfect tangy balance, grab 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. A half cup of brown sugar will add depth and richness, while a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce brings a wonderful umami flavor. These key ingredients form the foundation of our delicious sauce. Now let's get cooking. First, puree your fresh guavas until they are completely smooth, making sure to remove any seeds for a silky texture. Next, combine all your prepared ingredients in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring everything together thoroughly. Allow the mixture to simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your desired barbecue sauce consistency. Once your sauce has thickened, it's time to perfect the flavor. Taste it and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more sugar for sweetness or vinegar for tang, as you prefer. For an extra smooth finish, you can strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, let your delicious guava barbecue sauce cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will keep wonderfully in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.